Give this to Esperanza.
Okay.
This is Jayden eating ice cream. Angry.
What is it?
I told her not to give him ice cream.
Yes, grandmas can do anything.
But grandmas never listen. Okay, now try some for you. No.
Here. That's a good boy. Here you go.
Clean his mouth.
Oh, your little ice cream boy. That's good ice cream, right?
Okay, that's enough.
Now he's gonna cry.
Yeah, he is. Ew. He's spitting.
He does. You eat it now. He's looking at it, going into your mouth to see what he does. Let's see, do it again. Oh, what's the matter? Your grandma's not giving it to you? No.
Oh, good boy. Okay, you're gonna have to take him away from here.
No.
I told you not to give him any.
Take him.
Okay, say bye.
Bye-bye. Let go, precious.